recorder. Introducing Mr. Fact and the knowledge construction. Here we have Mr. Fact. He is feeling bullied by some of the people that he is working with. Next, we have Miss Collaborate. She loves helping people and getting people to bring their ideas together and help each other. Also in our little story, we're going to introduce Inspector Interpretation. He is our inferencer who draws conclusions from different people. Moving on is Doc Analysis. He looks for the relationship between different ideas. And of course, you could never forget Captain Evaluate. He's a bit judgmental at times, but he always comes through to the end. Finally, we have Princess Synthesis. She puts the stuff together and she's really good at putting all the ideas in a lovely conclusion.
Aimee.
Once upon a time, there was a Mr. Fact who saw the world in black and white.
He believes that the curriculum should be compartmented into individual ideas.
One day, Captain Evaluate visited Mr. Fact's school and thought, "The quality of your teaching is under par. You need to get into the 21st century.
Mr. Fact got pissed off and went off to Moanbond with Miss Collaborate.
Miss Collaborate sits with Mr. Fact and has a restorative discussion.
In the meantime, Captain Evaluate has gone off to discuss with Inspector Interpretation about his meeting with Mr. Fact. Inspector Interpretation was able to point out to Captain Evaluate that Mr. Fact is probably fearful of change.
Back to the discussion, Dr. Analysis arrives and Miss Collaborate fills him in on what has happened. Dr. Analysis sits down and analyses the problem, bringing in a new perspective on what 21st century learning looks like and what Mr. Evaluate was probably trying, although rather poorly, to point out to Mr. Fact.
Later, after their weekly staff meeting that went on forever, the knowledge constructors all met over coffee. Princess Synthesis happened to be walking past and heard the conversation and simply said,
"If you teach today the way you taught yesterday, you will rob our children of their tomorrow."
and walked off.
Mr. Fact had a light bulb moment.
Ding, 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 ding.
He realised change isn't to be scared of.